Hi, this is Isla, an AI receptionist from Cedarstone Pottery. How can I help you today?
Hi, Ella. Do you offer beginner pottery classes? And do you provide materials and tools? Because I'm pretty new to this, but I really want to try it out. And are the classes kid friendly as well?
Absolutely. At Cedarstone Pottery, we offer beginner pottery classes where all materials and tools are provided. Our classes are designed to be welcoming for newcomers, so you'll have everything you need to get started. Plus, our environment is kid-friendly, making it a great activity for families too. Would you like to book an appointment or class with us?
How long are the classes? And I saw you had courses too. So how many sessions are per course?
Our courses typically consist of multiple sessions, usually spanning several weeks. This allows you to gradually build your skills and complete various projects. Each session focuses on different techniques and aspects of pottery, ensuring a comprehensive learning experience. Would you like to know more about the specific courses we offer?
My last question is, what's the difference between wheel and hand building? I wasn't sure which course I wanted.
No worries. Wheel throwing involves using a pottery wheel to shape the clay, which is great for creating symmetrical pieces like bowls and vases. Hand building, on the other hand, involves shaping the clay by hand using techniques like pinching, coiling, and slab building. It's perfect for more organic shapes and creative designs. Both are fun in their own way. Do you have a preference or need help deciding?
I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet, so I'm going to call back to make an appointment.
All right, it was great